Hey guys, for today's how-to, I'm going to show you how to use Teen Driver, available on many GM vehicles. We will be using a 2018 GMC Sierra for this video. Setting up Teen Driver mode is quick and easy. Start by tapping on the settings button, then navigate to Teen Driver. The system will then ask you to create a 4-digit PIN. Choose whichever combination you like and press enter. The next step is to register the key fob. Some vehicles have a designated pocket that you use to register the key fob. Others just need the key in the ignition. Take the fob you want to use as the Teen Driver's key. Place it in the first cup holder or the ignition and press key registration. The system will then prompt you to confirm, and that will register the key. You can always clear the key, so it's not a permanent choice. And that completes the setup process. You can now manage the regulations you want to put on the vehicle. You can set the audio volume limit, speed limit, and whether or not you want the speed warnings enabled. Anytime the register key fob starts the vehicle, the Teen Driver mode will automatically enable and will begin tracking. Additionally, the audio system will not function unless the front seat occupants are wearing their seatbelts. The system works well not only for monitoring your teen, but also helping to teach them safe driving practices. After the teen's driving session, you can use the PIN to log back into the Teen Driver menu and view the report card. It will show you distance driven, max speed, overspeed warnings based on the speed that you set, wide open throttle, forward collision alerts, traction control and stability control, ABS active, and tailgating alerts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more how-tos, news, and safety and security features.